What's this? Guys, come on out here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Guys, let's open the box together. Wow, that's a really nice Pororo refrigerator. Let's open the refrigerator door. Oh, the refrigerator is empty. Wow, there are so many delicious foods here.
I like this ice cream.
I like this cake. We have meat, fish, eggs, and ice.
Hi, I'm Elsa. I'm so hungry right now. Friends, shall we cook lunch together?
Let's see what's in the refrigerator.
Oh, no, we don't have any food.
Oh no!
I have to go to the mart and buy food. Okay, let's go to the mart.
Hi, Anna. I will buy these foods.
Okay, I'll check the price of the food.
I want to buy this milk.
Okay, how many milk do you buy?
I will buy 1 milk.
1 milk. 1 milk.
I will buy 2 bell peppers.
2 bell peppers. 2 bell peppers.
I will buy bananas.
How many bananas do you buy?
1, 2, 3. I will buy 3 bananas.
3 bananas. 3 bananas.
I will buy this apple.
How many apples do you buy?
1, 2, 3, 4. I buy 4 apples.
4 apples. 4 apples.
I will buy this bread.
How many bread do you buy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I buy 5 breads.
5 breads. 5 breads.
I will buy this egg.
How many eggs do you need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 eggs.
6 eggs. 6 eggs.
I will buy this carrot.
How many carrots do you buy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will buy 7 carrots.
7 carrots. 7 carrots.
I will buy this pizza.
How many pizzas do you need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8 pizzas.
8 pizzas. 8 pizzas.
I will buy these beans.
Okay, how many beans do you buy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will buy 9 beans.
9 beans. Nine beans.
I will buy this grape.
How many grapes do you need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will buy 10 grapes.
10 grapes. 10 grapes.
Anna, I'll pay for the food in cash.
Okay, good. Oh no, I don't have any change money.
Don't worry, I'll pay for the food with my credit card. I bought a lot of delicious food at the mart. Now, I will put the food in the refrigerator. I am so happy. I have a lot of food. My dear friends, come visit me anytime. Let's eat delicious food together. Welcome to my house.